Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change font size in Adobe Acrobat. So let's go to Adobe Acrobat first. Choose a document or PDF. Now click on Edit PDF from here. Now choose the file size you want to change. Choose the text you want to change the size like this. This text should be bigger, so you have to go to this option 9.3. You can see here, right? You have to go to this option and it will bigger like this, and if you go to this it will be smaller like this. But if you want to add any text, you have to click on this add text. Click on add text and choose the location you want to add text, like this one. I'm gonna add text here like this, and if you want to change the font size, you have to click on this and you can change the font size like this. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.